Time to start cooking. First things first.
I believe I have earned me time.
Always need one of these when you starting to cook a meal.
Oh yeah, you dirty little thing.
Got a box of tomatoes from my friendly Amish. There was more, but I gave them some away. They're getting bad, so they told me to can them. So, got my water, got my ice bag, and my blender. Get some nice big ones. Can you see it? These are going a little bad. That's why I was about to make some sauce into them. I gave away a lot. First thing you gotta do, is take the core out and all the bad stuff in it. Oops. Don't drop it, but yeah, cut it out. And you put a slice in it, like 4 of them. Alright, then I'll put it over here in water, boiling water. Boil for a little bit, like a minute, till the skin start peeling off. You really tell when the skin start, well, let's see, how it's peeling. Start splitting out from the cuts that I made. It makes it easier for them to come off. When you take it from water, hot water, and you put it in an ice bath. Now look at what you take. In the ice bath, you see the skin coming off. I got some out here already. These off, these skins will peel off. And the blender goes in, squeeze it up, mix it. Okay. Alright, I'm about to use my mixer. Mix the tomatoes up, man. take it from there and cook it. Got me a big pot. About to pour this in the pot. But I got some more tomatoes to do. But this is basically what it is. Gotta put some lemon juice in it. And some salt and whatever else. See it? Put in a couple of seasonings in it. Put some more tomatoes. This time I didn't puree them as much. So I got a different consistency. I put Italian seasoning, black pepper, garlic powder, seasoning salt, adobo, sazon, and also you gotta put lemon juice and some salt to bring up the acid in it. So about a half a cup to a cup, depends on how much you got. I use sea salt on mine. Got this consistency. I'm gonna add a couple more tomatoes. Next time I'm not gonna get it as much. Make sauce. Then I might make some spaghetti sauce out of this also.